This packing puzzle has only 2 solutions to it, but finding those 2 solutions can be where the difficulty lies. Getting a few of the pieces into the tray is easy. If we take this piece out, we can maybe place this piece on the bottom over here and flip this piece up like this. But getting these last few pieces into the tray is going to be where the difficulty lies. If we take a few of these pieces out, you'll notice that there are black triangles in the corner of the tray here that protrude out. That'll stop you from placing some of the pieces into the tray. So if we take this orange piece and we place it in like this allows enough space for this black triangle here to be out of the way. Next, if we take this gray piece, we can flip it in on the bottom. Then I can use this piece and flip it in like this. Above that, if I take this piece, I can place it in over here, but I can also place it in like this. Now, if I take this piece out, I can flip it in like this, and it's starting to look like it's fitting really well. Maybe there's some purposeful spots there that allow us to find a pattern to fit these pieces into the tray. But once we try to get these last 2 pieces into the tray, you can see there's just no way to fit them into the tray together. So we have to think about it in a different way. This is the Broken Propellers puzzle. It is a level 8 on the Puzzle Masters difficulty scale, which runs from 5 to 10, and it is made by Alien Puzzles. Now the goal is just to fit all the pieces into the tray, as I mentioned, and there's only 2 possible solutions that can have these pieces fitting into the tray together. If you like the Broken Propellers and you want to get it for yourself, make sure you go click that link in the description. And if you want to see more fun puzzle solves like this, click this subscribe button. Now to solve this puzzle, we're actually going to start off with this orange piece, and we're going to place it up in the corner just like this. Now we're going to be able to use this green piece and place it in over here. Next, we want to take the blue and place it on this side of the tray. And you can see it's going to leave quite a bit of space on the side of the tray. That is fine. We need to take this purple piece and place it in the bottom corner. And then we can take this gray piece and place it inside of the purple. Next, I'm going to take this red piece and place it in over here. Next, if we take this yellow piece, we can place it in here. And that leaves a perfect amount of space just to fit this last piece into the tray. To get the Broken Propellers puzzle for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see another cool packing puzzle solved just like this, make sure you click this video right here.